Past tense. Quiz. The past tense is used to talk about things that already happened. It's like telling a story about something that's finished. Simple past. The simple past tense is your basic way to talk about things that are already done and over. Past continuous. Imagine you have a time machine. You go back to a moment in the past and see someone doing something. Past perfect. Imagine you have two events in the past. The past perfect tense is used for the first event. Past perfect continuous. Imagine you have two events in the past. The past perfect continuous tense is used for the first event, but it emphasizes how long that first event was happening. Simple past. She walked to the store. They ate dinner at 7 p.m. Past continuous. I was reading a book when she called. They were playing soccer all afternoon. Past perfect. By the time we arrived, the movie had already started. She had finished her homework before dinner. Past perfect continuous. He had been working there for 5 years when he got promoted. They had been living in the city before they moved to the countryside. Examples. She sushi for dinner yesterday. Answer. She ate sushi for dinner yesterday. Quiz 1. Yesterday, Yasmin to the grocery store. A. Go. B. Went. C. Going. D. Gone. Yesterday, Yasmin went to the grocery store. Quiz 2. While I was studying for my exam, my phone ringing. A. Keep. B. Keeps. C. Kept. D. Keeping. While I was studying for my exam, my phone kept ringing. Quiz 3. Before I went to bed last night, reading my book. A finish. B. Finishing. C. Want finish. D. Had finished. Before I went to bed last night, I had finished reading my book. Quiz 4. The children were exhausted because they outside for hours. A. Have been playing. B. Had been playing. C. Has been play. D. Had been playing. The children were exhausted because they had been playing outside for hours. Quiz 5. After dinner, they watched a movie. A. Have eat. B. Having ate. C. Had eaten. D. Had ate. After they had eaten dinner, they watched a movie. Awesome! You did it!